Let's talk about anxiety symptoms in dogs. Now, anxiety is a very strong reflex in dogs. There are multiple types of anxiety. Storm anxiety, separation anxiety, which is probably one of the worst we see, and sometimes some of the hardest ones to control. So there are multiple different types of anxiety in dogs. Those symptoms generally are going to be destructive in a lot of dogs. They're going to tear up things when owners are away, tear up their crate or cage. They can tear up their toys excessively. You can also see other symptoms like urinating or defecating when the owners are gone or when a storm is coming. So there are multiple different symptoms that can be going on, and this creates a lot of problems for the owners and a lot of problems for the dogs as well. Anxiety can also cause diarrhea and vomiting, basically causing so much stress that the GI system reacts negatively as well. So anxiety can be very serious. So if your dog has some sort of anxiety disorder like storm phobias, loud noise phobias, and separation anxiety especially, then talk to your veterinary clinic. There are behaviorists as well that can work you through these things. There are some medications that might help dogs with separation anxiety and other types of anxiety, but again, that's something that your veterinarian has to diagnose and discuss that with you first. Medications are never a substitute for behavioral modification and behavioral consultation. Now, dogs that have severe storm anxieties or lightning anxieties benefit sometimes from a short-term sedative, such as acepromazine, and this can be given when you know that there's a storm coming. Also, another very common anxiety is travel anxiety or car anxiety when they're traveling, and so a sedative like this can work very well. And so check with your clinic first to find out if any of these things are appropriate and what behavioral modifications or environmental modifications you can do to help the pet out.